Sun in Taurus in the ninth house. The cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the ninth house, your soul is designed to expand with purpose. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of steady, enduring value, and the ninth house is the realm of higher learning, philosophy, world travel, and beliefs. When these energies merge, your life purpose becomes centered around the pursuit of a grounded truth. You aren't here to chase temporary abstract theories or jump from one spiritual trend to another. You are here to explore the world deeply, study ancient wisdom, and build a solid, practical philosophy that serves as a permanent compass for your life. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your ability to turn high-minded wisdom into practical, real-world reality. Because the ninth house governs the higher mind, your Taurus drive gives you immense patience when studying complex subjects, mastering languages, or exploring foreign cultures. You possess a rare, instinctual wisdom that people deeply respect because it is realistic and reliable. You don't just dream about a better world, you know how to build a tangible path toward it. You make a phenomenal teacher, mentor, or guide because your belief systems are thoroughly tested and rock solid. The shadow and cosmic lessons. But a steady earth energy in the house of expansive beliefs can easily harden into ideological concrete. Your biggest challenge is extreme intellectual stubbornness and dogmatic intolerance. Once you settle on a belief or a worldview, you might completely close your mind to other cultures, perspectives, or alternative ways of thinking, viewing them as a threat to your internal peace. You might also struggle to move or travel, letting your love for physical comfort trap you in one place when your soul is begging for expansion. Your cosmic lesson is to realize that truth is infinite. You must learn to keep your mind flexible, understanding that exploring new perspectives expands your foundation rather than breaking it. Ultimately, you are here to show the world how to live with conviction, build real wisdom, and find peace on the open road. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the ninth house. See you in the next breakdown.